I have sensory issues. I think I have ADHD. My fiance and I were trying to go out to brunch. I forgot to put my clothes in the dryer and all my bras are in here. So I guess I'm going braless for today. Oh God, this is so cringe. You know what really annoys me? I'm wearing a towel, don't worry. You know what really annoys me? Whenever you're out and you know you're vlogging or you're just making a TikTok or something and you're taking pictures of yourself, like you're taking selfies. And then all of a sudden some Karen comes up to you and is like, do you want me to take your picture for you? If I wanted someone to take a picture of me, I would have asked if you could take a picture of me. No, I don't want you to take my picture because I want a video. I know what I want to look like. And man, you're not gonna take the picture that I want. I remember I was at church one time and I was in the bathroom, take a picture bathrooms. Don't judge me. I was like 12 years old, but I was in the bathroom and, you know, I was just taking like some selfies and stuff. You know, I was feeling myself, like, you know, I was feeling myself. And this old lady comes in the bathroom and she looks at me and she's like, do you want me to take your picture for you? No, I don't want you to take my picture for me. I'm good, thank you. To me, it's so passive aggressive. It's almost like another way, I could be overthinking this, but I feel like it's another way of someone saying, stop being so conceited and stop taking pictures of yourself. But I don't know, that's how I feel. Because then what's gonna happen is they're not gonna get the angles right, they're not gonna get the lighting right. You know, it's just, I'm like, I'm better off just taking the picture myself. So yeah, this is what I look like with the braid out. Cute, right? Okay, let's do my second face. You know, I don't know why it's so difficult to find places that sell breakfast all day long except for IHOP. Like, there'll be times where I'm just like, okay, I want breakfast, but I don't want IHOP because IHOP, their eggs taste like it came out of a can. Do you feel like that too? They just don't taste authentic. I want to go to a real brunch spot that's 24/7. One of you viewers, go start a business. By the way, I'm using Let's Jam. I got the waves going. Should I like put it up like this? Nah, I'll just put it up for makeup purposes. Okay, so now it's time to put on my second face, my catfishing face. I don't know about y'all, but I'm cheap. I'm very cheap, incredibly cheap. I be getting my makeup and beauty products from like those Chinese websites.
Bro, are you serious right now, bro?
$1 for some primer. And it's like, it works. My skin hasn't broken out yet. I don't have cancer yet. Therefore, I'm gonna get my dollar creams, okay? I feel like I have fairly smooth skin. My skin doesn't look as smooth when I use those filters on my face, but that's why they make filters. They make filters for us to use because they know we be using just cheap Chinese products on our faces. So they're like, let's get these people some filters. So yes, I be using those $1 Chinese foundations and creams. I don't have time to be going to Sephora or Ulta and buying a $300, $400 primer and a $7,000 foundation, $678.92 banana setting powder. I got this for $1 on Temu. I'm also really bad at doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to do my eyebrows. It's this pomade from iMethod. Sponsor me, iMethod. And these little bitty eyebrow shaper things because I don't know how to shape my own eyebrows. I'm a little handicapped with that. I use number 5. I got this for like $20 on Amazon. So if you're bad at doing your eyebrows, then get these. Plus it's easy. It takes like 3 seconds. You just gotta dab. And then voila, voila, eyebrows on fleek. And then I'll just kind of like smooth it out a little bit. Kind of like. So for those of you who do not know, I am getting married in October and I'm getting my dress made in Ukraine. I'm a little bit nervous about that. A little scared, a little nervous. Because what if it gets lost in shipment? Wouldn't that suck? A month or two before my wedding and my dress falls off the boat into the ocean, into the Pacific Ocean. So I use eye make for my foundation. A lot of people are like, oh no, don't use eye make, don't use eye make, it sucks, it sucks. It works for me, okay? So shut up. That's the thing about y'all beauty gurus. Do what works for you. Always in somebody else's business. If I want to use some cheap Chinese products that probably have lead in it, then let me do that, shoot. Y'all gonna pay for my funeral? No. So why are you worried about it? Now, unless you like bleaching your skin or something, I don't know, that would definitely cause cancer. Oh no. Like if you want to lighten your skin just because you have like a lot of dark blemishes and stuff, then use some like lemon juice. Don't be going out and buying those like Black China type of skin bleaching products. I'm like really rough with my face when I'm doing my makeup. I'm kind of in a rush right now. My fiance is like, I'm hungry, I wanna go out to eat. You're over here recording. I'm like, I'm trying to hurry up. The lighting like sucks in here, but oh well, because I don't have my ring light on me. Y'all can still see it though, right? So now it's time for contouring. So I use BR, I don't know, some off-brand concealing place I got on Amazon. It works, you ain't gotta buy no $675,000 makeup. Okay, now it's time to blend this in.
A few moments later.
This is what I look like after getting all nice and dressed up. You got the shoes, got the fit, got my makeup, the earrings. This is what I naturally, look like. Bruh. That person that y'all had saw earlier, that wasn't me. That was just like a filter on my face. So this is what I really look like. You know, the makeup and no, this is not even makeup. This is just my real face. So if you don't believe me, then you can get off my channel, because here on Devin's channel, the girls support the girls. Picasso. We ended up moving outside because the music was really loud in there. We just got back from brunch and we're just driving home right now. In the first clip, we were inside the restaurant, but then afterward, you might have noticed that we went outside because the music was so loud and everyone was just talking and the music was super loud and I just felt super overstimulated, so we decided to go outside. It was so disgusting because they had the trash can right by the tables where we were outside. So every once in a while, you would just get a whiff of the smell of trash. It was so disgusting. Like, I just want to leave right now, but I'm hungry.
It's very nasty. Typically, you have the outdoor seating area away from all that stuff, but we're in the ghetto, so.
I don't like this. There's a trash can behind us. And he turns around, that's why I've been smelling trash. And then as soon as he said that, that's when I started to smell it. Earlier today, my fiance, he was sitting on the couch and he was just picking his hair out. And then later on, he was shaving. And then later on, he was clipping his nails. And for me, the hair pulling is like, and the nail clipping is like, and it's so annoying. And then we get to the restaurant, the music in there is super loud and it's just so much going on. The waiters are running back and forth. People are eating. I'm just like, I need to go outside because I feel so overwhelmed just by everything. So now I'm just like sitting here and I was telling my fiance, I think I have sensory issues. I think it's called like a sensory processing disorder. And some symptoms are sensitive to loud noises, hate having your hair brushed. I hate having my hair brushed. I'm okay with brushing my own hair, but when someone else is cutting, washing, or doing anything to my hair, I don't like it, it hurts. Another one is you have really poor handwriting or cutting skills, and my handwriting sucks. I've always been told that my handwriting looks like a doctor's handwriting, and I do not have that pretty girly handwriting that's like cursive and all cute. My handwriting literally looks like chicken scrap. I'm not really like a picky eater, and I don't really have texture issues except for beans. Beans, I do not like the texture of beans, but anything else, like I don't really have a problem with the texture of it. Certain smells, certain touches really just bring this like out of me. I found that out today. Or it could just be my period, who knows. Okay, so I need to clean up. Look at the mess. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. This is me, this is my outfit. I've literally had like 4 hours of sleep and I need minimum 8 hours to 9 hours of sleep, okay? I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a nap. Oh my goodness, let me take my hair out. Ow, ow. Dude, I hate having curly hair. I mean, I love having curly hair. Don't get me wrong, I love having curly hair, but it is so difficult to take it out of a twisty. You see this mess? Why do they make it? They need to make twisties for people with curly hair. It's so hard to take it out. Okay, I got it out. Oh great, see now look, my earrings are like stuck in my hair. I swear, they need to make twisties for people with curly hair so that way it doesn't get stuck. Earrings too. Earrings too. I don't know, do any of y'all have like this struggle? Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Oh. I don't know, do like any of y'all that are engaged ever take your engagement ring off whenever you're about to like go to sleep, or just when you're doing like everyday activities like cleaning and cooking? Like, do y'all take y'all's rings off, or am I like the only one? Sometimes I feel bad that I only wear my ring when I go out, because I don't want anything to happen to it. Like, I don't want it to get damaged or to lose any rings. Got my little pineapple in, so I'm gonna go change into my comfortable wear so I can take a nap. I'll see y'all later. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Damn, sorry I blew you off. I was having lunch with Microsoft. I'm sucking off the CEO. Blurry. I don't care what you think. To see her. Travel all across the world just to meet her. Okay, fine. I'm going to sleep. Sheesh.